Janga is my hometown. The chief that is sitting now is my small father. My father is first before him, but I lost my father. He's now chief of Janga. So now, do you know the meaning of Sona?
No.
The witchcraft's hometown, the chief hometown. That's their hometown. Witchcraft's hometown. Like witches.
So it means that your father,
yeah,
is now the chief
of Janga
over the witches.
Over the witches.
When so your father is a wizard.
He's a wizard, but we are not chopping. We are not chopping. I have all of them.
But you yourself,
yeah, me myself,
I
have. Yeah, I'm a witch. I'm a witch because if you are not witch, you can't do this kind of work.
And I welcome you to Too Much GH, and if this is your first time on our page, please subscribe to this page and also press on the bell so whenever I make any upload, you'll be the first to get in touch. I have a spiritual man in my studio who goes by the name Kyei, and this man is of the view that he has some deep revelation about witches and secret illness. Help me welcome him onto our platform.
Kyei, how are you?
I'm doing good, my boss.
Good. You said you have some deep things you want to say about witches.
Okay. Today we want to talk about the witchcraft issues.
Okay.
You know, there are a lot of things going to we the human beings that we don't know. You see, sometimes when the witchcraft follows you, you go and marry. If you are a woman, you marry today, tomorrow you go out. The place will not be peace for you. The marriage house will not be peace for you. Your house issue, witchcraft issue will follow you to the place. They know that where you are married, you prosper that place. And that place, the people don't want you to prosper. So they will against you that place. That's one of the witchcraft issue. And we have a lot of people self, they are there every day, you sick today, you sick tomorrow. If you don't get solution to that issue too, you still have a problem. It's all about witchcraft issues.
So like, if I heard you well, you are of the view because of witchcraft is the reason why so many people can't get engaged. They enter into any
relationship, yeah.
Then they come out from the relationship.
They will come out from that because
you say it is witchcraft that
it's witchcraft. Because if somebody hit you by the end of the day, he sees somebody can do bad thing to you, you take it to the person. Because one, you and me like this, if like you marry, why will you divorce?
Yeah, I won't divorce.
But why you divorce by force? Because it will come to extent that you will not be happy with the marriage, or the lady will not be happy with the marriage. You divorce. Maybe you have 3 kids or 4 kids. Whether you like it or not, you do it by force. Then you see sitting down and say that you're not peace. You're not peace. You still marry. And the girl too also go and marry. But because of that divorce, it may come from your family enemies that you cannot marry. So that lady can go and get a peaceful home and be. But you can get to marry again, it will divorce again. When that witchcraft is come from your place, it's going to be affecting you like that. So ladies or men will be saying that, oh, this man don't want to marry. This man don't want to marry. He only have dead ladies and leave them. He don't want to marry. It will cause by that. So that people will hit you. If I'm a lady came to you, then you divorce with the next lady divorce. We'll all go and sit there and say, oh, this guy or this man is not a good man. See, he did about 4 or 5 ladies, he made a wedding, they are divorced. Nobody will see art from the ladies. They will say it's from you. Why?
Okay, I would like you to look into the camera.
Oh, okay.
Listen, from what you are saying, does it mean like people who divorce, they are all caused by these witches?
Yeah, they are all called by witches. Because that's what I'm asking you. You feel and arrange yourself to marry. Then 1 week or 2 months or 1 year, you divorce. So what causes? Do you understand? Many things like this will cause it because of the witchcraft. Many things we do will cause it by that issues. And sometimes you marry like this. When it follows the woman, you like the woman, but the woman cannot sit with you. Because that witchcraft is from that woman. You follow and do a lot of things. I want this, you buy 1 car, 1 house. But the lady will not follow you for that issue. But you love her. But it comes from the woman. So if you don't solve it with the woman, you can never marry the woman. If you give birth 10 or 100 students, the woman will still reject you.
But please, can you explain to us to understand what you mean by a witch? Who is a witch?
A witch, you know, is just a spiritual thing to a human being who have it or who want it. and go and look for it. Because God do not create anybody as a witch. Do you understand? It's only you that if you want to go be at a witch. Like me, I'm from Janga. You reach to Nansha, northern region. You reach to Nansha, then you come to Janga. Janga is my hometown. The chief that is sitting now is my small father. My father is first before him, but I lost my father. He is now chief of Janga. And our language we call it Sona. Sona, do you know the meaning of Sona?
No.
The witchcraft's hometown, the chief hometown, that's their hometown. Witchcraft's hometown. Like witches.
So it means that your father,
Yeah,
is now the chief
of Janga
over the witches.
over the witches. When
So
you
your
ask,
father is a wizard.
it's a wizard. But we are not chopping. We are not chopping. We are there to solve issues. If you have a problem or you have something bad like that, that's why they take him as a leader in the town, whether woman or man. You do something under him.
But you said witches were not good. They can kill you. They can do so many
Yeah,
things.
that's what I'm
But
saying.
you yourself, you are
But we are having
a
a
wizard.
different. That's what I'm saying. We have a different types. I have all of them.
But you yourself,
Yeah, me
you are a
myself,
wizard.
I have. Yeah, I'm a witch. I'm a witch because if you are not witch, you can't do this kind of work. You can see, but you can see. I can say maybe today or tomorrow something is going to happen to you. But how will I solve it? I can't solve it. Do you understand? You can come to me as a witch for me. After I see that witch people are chasing you, let me help you take it from them. So that I will prevent you. If I prevent you and I don't have the power to prevent myself, they will leave you and come to me. So if they leave you and come to me, if I don't have the power to work against them, they will still follows me again. So I will suffer what they are doing to you. They will do more than that to me. So I have to have that kind of issue. When they see me, they know that, oh, this Nana Motia, and if I do this and this, if I take you problem and come to me, I will also do him back because I'm seeing what he's doing, and I can even do that more than that.
But
You understand? Like, you know, human being, when you see a person like this, and you know, if I beat this man, he can also beat me. We will be friends. That's how witchcraft and
But it said that a kingdom divided against itself will not stand. How can a wizard cast out a witch? You yourself, you carry black power.
Power, yeah.
So your power is black. How can you cast out somebody who also has a black power attack?
And that's what I'm saying. You know, I have it. Maybe you don't have it. Do you understand? And we have it 3 times. That's what I'm saying. 1, you can prevent yourself. Nobody can do bad thing, witchcraft, anything against you. 2, you can see.
Please let the camera be on him so you can properly explain yourself.
2, the other one, you can see what is going to happen to someone. Or you are working, then you come to me, I'll give you that kind of power. You'll be seeing like bisa, they say bisa or bisa, checking. English, bisa, checking. Maybe you come to check what is going to happen, or things are not good for you, you want to be checking. I can give that power to you for you to be doing that kind of work as I do. You can be checking, seeing it, but you can't chop. And some is there. The 3rd one is there. You can see, you can chop. If somebody want to hit you,
can chop what?
You can chop human being the way, you know, when they kill you, they chop you. Maybe I just did something to you, they bring your name to me to work something to affect you. Maybe I'll just go and I will do that kind of spiritual, make you to have car accident, motor accident, or something that will just affect you in your life. Do you understand? Or you come mad, or you have a stroke, so that you will not come back again. So if I make you a stroke, you part of those people are going to make it in life again. If you are not able to solve that issue, you will be part.
No.
So I will feel okay because I'll be happy. Maybe you wrong me something that you will never remember self, just because you tell me that I'm nobody, or I'm not a powerful man. So I will let you to know that I'm a powerful man, or I can do you this. So when they brought you, like if someone cannot do that and bring you to me, if I'm also like the person, he explained in such a way that what you talk to the person, she or he, it will hate you. When he explained to me, it will also hate me to do that to you. Okay. But if I'm also seeing, like what he's saying is not true, he will come and lie to me. Oh, Nana, do this and this for this man. He told me I'm this and this. So if I'm seeing, I will know what he's saying is a lie. It's not true that you talk to him or her. So I will tell him to be patient.
Okay, so when people consult you, you also consult the witchcraft power you have.
Yeah, I have.
To know if the person is telling the truth or it's a lie.
It's a lie.
So when your spirit tells you that the person is saying the truth, that's when you'll be moved to attack.
And that one is that not all of them that can have that power that I'm saying. When you come and talk to me about witchcraft, not all of the malams or the people can do that.
But do you have power?
Yeah, I have power. That's why me like this, you as I'm still a young boy, I'm supposed not to do this kind of work. I've completed and I need to continue. But it's my home work, my family work. So if I'm going to do any business, they'll say it's not possible, if not this work. So it's not my will. Me myself, I don't like the work. But because it is my family work. So if I'm going to do something or you come to me to do something that above me, there are people in the family older than me. It's not my strength or my breathness or there's something that will give it to me. It's the jobs and the witchcrafts that like to be with me because the family, when they give birth to you, there was a man that is old. That spiritual was following that man. But the man died in our family before they give birth to me. So you know that kind of thing. Before it you follows when you're a small boy or they give birth to you, before they will give birth to you, they will know whom you come to the family or whom you're going to be.
Okay, please, a minute. Family, I have Amutia Hene in my studio right now, and the things he is saying actually is a bit complicated. He himself claims he's a wizard. His father is also the king or the wizard from where he's coming from. I'm of the view, how can darkness cast out darkness? But he is of the view that before darkness can cast out darkness, that means that there is somebody who has a greater power over the other. So when a witch is pursuing you and you run to them, they have a greater control over any other witchcraft power. So by so doing, he can cast more power out. I would like you to bring your comment so that I can know how you are coping with our discussion right here. So join me, let's continue our discussion.
Yeah, okay. As I said, you are saying darkness to catch darkness. It's just like phones that they are building now. We are having iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, SR, what on 11, 12, 13, 14. Now they say 15 or 16 is the current. You understand? Their names are the same, but they are different things inside the phone.
One is powerful than the other.
That's how witchcrafts or we the malams and the others are. So if you don't have the power that I am, then you can't face me. You understand?
So you believe you have power?
I have power. That's what I'm saying. My power, I don't go to anywhere to chop it. It's my home work that I'm doing.
You mean
so? If you are even somewhere to come against me, my ancestors and my grandfather will not even accept. And they know what I'm doing. If them like me, that's why I'm working with them. If they don't like me, I will not work with them.
So you mean you are a wizard?
Yeah.
But it's a thing in your house. So you are to be a wizard by force.
Yeah, whether I like it or not, I'm a wizard. So I don't need to lie to you.
But please,
I'm not here to be maybe to do something bad against someone. But I just want you people to know that who I am.
But in case
you have that issue and you call me or you let me to solve it, wherever you are outside of Ghana or you're in Ghana, I will help you that issue to confirm whether I'm one of the powerful person that you meet before or not, and whether it's my homework or not. Because if you ask me to do something that I cannot do, that means it's not my homework.
Okay, so as we sit here, you say if anyone should call you with any spiritual issue which has got to do with witchcraft, you have the superpower.
I have that power. When you are also seeing and you are witchcraft, when you see me, you know whether I have it or not. I wish you to see like or to be like who I am.
I don't have to see.
So that one day, I don't even know how to talk to you to know what I'm powerful, because you always see maybe because of the things that I'm wearing to make no.
There are things. So why do you dress this way?
This one that
you put on this cap. There's something on your forehead. There's a mirror.
They are all having use. They are all having use. You see, this one is, we have gun protection. Gun protection. So if you don't want the mock like these ones, if you don't
the dress,
if you don't want that one, we can work it on this one for you. If there's no gun, it will not enter. This one, only this cap.
There were some guys
but
who
if you want,
they have power over gun, they were shot and they died.
No. Then they don't have it. They don't have it.
I want us to end our conversation, so I would like you to look into the camera and say your final word so that we can end this conversation.
Okay. And what I want to say, I greet everybody who is having time to watch this program for us. Thank you for that person. So if you have, I'm going to say, like, what I mean is that I'm saying that if you have any issue against witchcrafts, sickness, marriage problem, you know, when sickness, when it's happened to you, you can't give birth self. You can even, maybe if you have lucky to give birth, you need a boy, you will not give birth to boy, you'll be giving girls. Or you need a girl, you will not give birth to girls, you'll be giving boys. That one, all of them, I'm ready for that. So if you are going to travel or you are in somewhere, then you want to have a green card, it's difficult for you, or you want to have a visa, and it's all of them. Some of them, it's not all of them are witchcrafts, but some of them they are like that. So if you are not able to solve it out, you can't make it in life. So God loves all of us. So why is it that God creates you and give you money and didn't give you money? I'm a bad person. But why did God create me and give you cripple and give me normal person? You understand? God did not hit anybody. He loves us. So the way he loves us, we're supposed to love each other. But we human beings created to each other. That's why we are suffering. God will not bring anybody to suffer in the world. He brings us to understand what he wants us to do for him or her there. Because we don't know God is a man or a woman. We are just saying with what we want.
Okay. Thank you for coming to my
You are
studio.
welcome.
Family, this is Amutia Hene, and I thank you for joining our conversation. I will leave his number down there. If you want to call him, do your proper check and pick the number there so you can call him. And again, to drop your comment and let me know how you felt or the understanding you have gotten from our conversation. Then kindly subscribe to our page, press on the bell so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be the first to be in touch.